This video will show you how to download, install, and input the license key for SPSS version 27 on a Mac computer. When you've placed your order and received the email confirmation from studentdiscounts.com, you will receive a PDF document. Please read the instructions carefully. On the PDF document, you will be directed to a page like this, where you can select which SPSS installer file you need to download. There are options for both Mac and Windows. This video is for Mac users. There's a separate video if you have a Windows machine. Please take note of the minimum Mac OS X operating system version shown on this page. Your Mac OS X needs to be this version or higher to run SPSS version 27. You can check your Mac OS X version by going to the Apple icon in the top left of your screen and selecting About this Mac. You'll see the Mac OS X version here. Select the Mac download by clicking here. We are using the Google Chrome browser. You can see the download starts in the bottom left-hand corner here, and you can access the download at any time by clicking on the three horizontal lines in the top right here and choosing Downloads. Right-click on the file and choose Show in Folder. The Firefox browser will ask if you want to save the file. Choose Save File, and the download starts in the Download section of the browser. You can return to this section at any time by clicking up here. The time it takes to download depends on the speed of your internet connection. Typically, it takes between 10 and 20 minutes, but it can be slower if you're on a wireless connection. Once the download has started, go to the Download section of your browser and then your Downloads folder. You should see the downloaded SPSS installation file. Double-click on the installer file to start the installation. When the installer starts, press Continue. Press Continue again. Press Agree to accept the software license agreement. Press Install. Enter your Mac username and password and press Install Software. We've sped up the video of the installation process. It normally takes between 5 and 10 minutes to complete. Once the installation is finished, the SPSS License Authorization wizard will open. The first screen will show no licenses found for SPSS. Click Next. Select Authorized User License and then click Next again. Enter the authorization code you were sent by studentdiscounts.com. Copying and pasting from our email is best, and it's very easy to make a mistake if you type it. Then choose Next. You should see a green Authorization Succeeded message. Choose Next again and then finally Finish. On this screen, press Closed. You may see this prompt to delete the SPSS installer file for Mac. Press Move to Bin if you'd like to delete the installer file. This does not delete SPSS. Now that SPSS has been licensed, you'll need to find it on your computer before you can use it. If you need support for downloading, installing, and licensing SPSS, go to the FAQ link at www.studentdiscounts.com, which has answers to the most commonly asked questions about purchasing, installing, and licensing SPSS. If you can't find the answer you're looking for, click here to chat with us. We're online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.